Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And competition is rough. And in the Android market, competition is even rougher, maybe, because Google dominates everything. And this is why they're in trouble right now. One of the effects of this is interesting. If you have an Android device that had the Amazon App Store on it, Amazon has announced that it will shut down its Amazon App Store on Android in August of this year, August the 20th exactly. The reason for this, well, they're kind of citing that competition against the Google Play Store is rather difficult. And let's face it, I have an Android tablet here. The Amazon App Store has never been very good. So, of course, this is why people like me sideload the Google Play Store on Amazon tablets, because that's where the real good apps are. So, yep, it's shutting down. If you were using this on your Android device, they will be actually removing it. Removing the app from your device, they will be shutting down the store. And so that means, well, you'll go to the Amazon, to the Google Play Store to get your stuff. And this is and shows competition. There are several different app stores that exist on the Android system, depending on what device you have. There's many stores. Samsung has its own app store, and many other manufacturers have their own app store. But let's face it, whatever phone you got, where do you go? You always go to the Google Play Store. It is the dominant store. It is the one that has everything that you want. So it's kind of a interesting related news item that I thought would be interesting, following the Windows subsystem for Android that's being shut down on March the 5th. So the Amazon App Store in Android is going away August the 20th. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.